Have you embraced discomfort yet? Yes, that's right. I'm seriously asking that question. Have you embraced discomfort yet? Why do I ask that? Because it's in discomfort that you will grow. Now, it's not only here in the gym, it's in life in general. It's again, in those tough times you can grow. In those tough times there's always lessons. In those tough times you're being challenged, where you can go that extra mile, where you can dig deeper in that. Those who are successful dig deep when they need to dig deep. Those who are successful are resourceful when they need to be resourceful. Those who are successful find a way, find a solution to whatever aspect of life. And again, I'm not talking about just a gym talk, but anywhere. But you have to embrace discomfort. You have to make it your friend. Because staying in familiarity, staying in the comfort zone won't move you from where you are. And at the end of the day, at a cellular level, we're growing or dying every single day. I choose growth. I choose to test myself, push myself, challenge myself every single day. Some days I'll do it, some days I won't, but again, I'm still going to challenge myself. How about you? Choose growth and keep things moving.